The question that we've been asked is, say the client actually does a payment in cash. How do we actually handle it in uLaw? Now, in this case, notice that the client actually owes you $65. You raised an invoice, and he has to do a payment. Now, if he walks into your office and does a cash payment of $65, what you would do is you would click on client payment. You would accept the payment. Now, notice that if you had done a bank payment, you could put it, in your operational bank account directly, say, your CIBC or something like that. But if you give you cash, you'd actually click on cash. You have two choices, petty cash or cash, wherever you're going to keep it. So in this case, let's assume that you keep it in the cash account and you'll do apply. So what uLaw will do in the back is it will take the $65 and put a journal entry in the cash account saying that this cash was actually received. So let's go ahead and look how it looks like. So if I go here and I go to my cash account, you will see now uLaw would have actually put a journal entry for $65 in this as for this matter as a cash payment. Say at the end of the day or maybe the next day or something like that, you took this $65 and you actually deposited it into your bank. So the way you would do that in uLaw is you would do a bank transfer. You would say, we took money from the cash account and we put it into, say, CIBC. You would say $65, and you can say end of day cash transfer. Now, it need not be exactly the $65. Maybe you had a couple of cash transactions. You can sum them all up and you can say, whatever the total amount is, and you can do a transfer. When you do the end of day transfer, what will happen is uLaw will put the credit entry, okay, for that end of day transfer, and when you click, it says, yeah, it transferred it from cash to CIBC. So to summarize, in your matter, you would put a client payment as a cash entry, and then in accounts, when in the end of the day, you'll actually do a transfer, a bank transfer from your cash to your bank.